So today's video we will be doing a patch. It's the logo for All That, very popular. So we're gonna get into it. All I have to do right now is lower the lever, press the button, and go ahead and get it started. All right, so that just finished up. On to the next color, which would be the red. So let me go ahead and start threading that. I'm gonna go ahead and use a red bobbin. I was just gonna put the black bobbin in so that I won't have to change it. Yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and use it right now. The red bobbin. So that I won't have to do that. Oops. Okay, there we go. Almost did that, all messed up. Perfect. So now that that's in, I'll go ahead and lift this back up. Slide it back under. Cool. Just press your foot down and time to start it up. Now, one thing I'm noticing, I don't know why I did not, once again, I'm not going to say rushing, just forgetful on the placement of the letters. So yeah, it's starting to T first. I don't even know which letters are coming next. I forgot to rearrange those. So, okay, the A is coming next, I see. But yeah, I forgot to rearrange them, forgot to put them in order, so they're going to stitch out how they're going to stitch out right now. I don't even know the order, so all good, I guess. So, I mean, not a big hassle. I do like to, have it going in the order, top to bottom, left to right. I hate when they jump from back and forth, especially when I get all the jump stitches. So, but it isn't too bad. But yeah, so let that stitch out and I'll be back once those letters is done with. Not bad, looking all right. wanted to give you guys a close up on it. So that's the last of that. All right, so now we'll be starting the black. And what I do want to do is cut the jump stitches, because you don't want the jump stitches on the back of your other layer, because they will bleed through. So I'm going to cut the black out. Sorry about that. Going to cut the red off the jump stitches, and then I will be loading up the black. So let me get to that. So right now I have everything in. I have the black bobbin, I have that in, as well as the black embroidery thread, as well as the black thread up top. So all I have to do is, once again, press that start button. Let's get it going. Oh, lower the press foot. Then we can press start. So all of this right now, this is all a satin stitch right here. This is all satin. The whole border will be a satin stitch. So see how that comes out. Looks like it's coming out good. So what looks like has happened is it's a small gap in between. So it could be because of the pull compensation. So I definitely, like I said, have to go back into the software and edit all of that. So I will definitely have to edit that for the pull comp, for the border. Small issues, nothing major, just some small minor issues that can be fixed. So other than that, it looks good though. It's coming out great. And be back when it's almost done. Stay tuned. So right now we're just doing the back stitch right now. Then it's about to get into doing the full stitch. So that's what's going on now. It's doing it now, so yeah. Once again, it looks great. Just small minor issues that I can fix. Probably be on another video, but I definitely will be fixing it. Like I said, maybe the border is too thin, I don't know, but could be the pull comp, so I definitely have to look into that and see. And yeah. So far so good. Just small issues like probably here, and here. Just those gaps. But other than that, not too bad. Like I said, small issues, so get fixed. All we have left is the 2 eyeballs and finish. Oh, forgot about that part. Inside the A. But yeah, this is it right here. So as you can see, finish embroidering. Go ahead and click that continue button. So this is the finished project. Like I said, just small minor issues that can get fixed. But for the most part, it looks great. Like I said, this is an all that patch. So looks good. I cut some of the jump stitches off. I'll probably cut some of the back soon, but for the most part, yeah. It's your boy D. I'm Quality Custom Designs, and stay tuned. Got more videos coming soon, and be on the lookout. Please subscribe, hit those notifications, like up the video, comment below if you have any new suggestions or designs that you might want me to do. And till next time, peace. Stay blessed.